What if the heat became so extreme that roads started melting? What if people could cook breakfast using nothing but sunlight? Today, we're witnessing the hottest day ever imagined. The afternoon sun blazes directly overhead. The temperature is beyond imagination. The black asphalt has turned soft and sticky. Car tires leave deep marks as they slowly roll across the road. People struggle to walk as their shoes stick to the melting surface. A cyclist stops, lifts his bike, and laughs. Is this a road or a giant slab of chewing gum? The air shimmers with intense heat. Everything feels like it's trapped inside a giant oven. Across the street, a man places a small frying pan on his windowsill under direct sunlight. He carefully cracks an egg into the pan. Minutes later, the egg white slowly begins to turn solid. He sprinkles a little salt and black pepper on top. Smiling proudly, he says, "Who needs a stove when the sun does all the work for free?" Neighbors gather around in complete disbelief. Some record the unbelievable moment with their phones. The heat becomes even more intense. Someone places bread on the hood of a parked car, and it begins to toast. An ice cream melts before its owner can take a second bite. A thirsty pigeon cools itself in the cap of a water bottle. A cat hides beneath the only tree, casting a tiny patch of shade. Even the traffic lights seem to shimmer in the scorching air. People run from one shadow to another. A delivery driver fans himself with a pizza box. A child watches his popsicle disappear in seconds. "Hurry, my ice cream just turned into juice." A man's phone suddenly flashes a warning. Device overheating. He wipes the sweat from his forehead and replies, "Yeah, me too." Everyone bursts into laughter, despite the unbearable heat. As the sun finally begins to set, the sky turns orange. A gentle breeze returns. People step outside with smiles of relief. The melted road slowly hardens again. The city finally breathes. Fortunately, this was just a fun, fictional story. But real heat waves can be dangerous. Stay hydrated, avoid direct sunlight, and take care of yourself during extreme weather. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible adventures.